Hi, Les Druven here with another video for the course HVAC 1022. This video is how to measure the basement for model 2169. First I'm going to turn the plan sideways so that you can see it in its entirety. So, just as a reminder, whenever you see anything that says unexcavated, this area or these areas are not included in your heat loss calculation, and therefore you must ignore these foundation walls as they are not part of the basement where there will be experiencing heat loss. In order to calculate the heat loss, we have to determine both the exposed perimeter and the area of the basement. I suggest that you start in this corner here, and you will measure the exposed basement. So follow the red marker lines that I'm making here, and this indicates the inside surface of the exposed basement wall. And if you follow from the point where we started and make your way all the way around the basement, measuring each one of these distances as you go along, you will determine the total exposed perimeter of the basement. So once again, start in this corner here and measure down and follow these red lines as these indicate the exposed perimeter of this particular basement. Next thing is you need to determine the area. As you can see, this basement is an odd shape, so I simply recommend that you break it down into manageable shapes. In this case, I might recommend that you find the area of this portion of the basement. Then you've got the main area of the basement, so we can draw that up like this. So you would measure the width and the depth of the basement here. As you can see, we've got a bit of an odd shape in this location, but I would break this down into smaller, manageable shapes. What we have here is a right-angle triangle, if you will. So you can have the base and the height. Remember to divide base times height by 2, and that will give you the area of the triangle. Here you've got a trapezoid. And so the formula for the trapezoid is A, which would be this line here, plus B, which would be the distance of this line, divided by 2 times the height of the trapezoid. So once you have determined the perimeter and the area, you would indicate those along the side here.